Do you need extra money every month to make ends meet? Did you know you could get paid to read free books and do book reviews? Then stick around. In this video, you'll get 3 websites where you can do book reviews and earn money, and it's completely free. You'll also get a bonus method to make money if you enjoy reading books out loud. But make sure you stick around to the end to learn how you can make the most money doing book reviews. I've made tens of thousands of dollars doing product reviews with this method. You can apply this method to doing book reviews and make recurring income every month, plus affiliate commissions, and make a lot of money. I will share with you people who are doing this and how you can do this too. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Okay, the first site you can go to do book reviews on is Online Book Club. And you can see it's completely free to become a reviewer. You don't have to say you love the book. You can just get paid to do an honest, quick review. Payouts are anywhere from $50 to $60, and you can sign up for free on this form right here. The second one is Booklist, and you get paid $15 per review for this site. And you can come here and read about the expectations. And again, it pays you $15 for each review. And then if you reject a title, you get a reject fee of $5. The third one is Write-A-Full Books. And on this site, you will get paid $10 to $50 depending on how in-depth the review is. So you can just look right here and see the requirements for book reviews. Oh, and by the way, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money from home, I'm going to leave a link up above. You can go ahead and click on it and check it out if you'd like. You can get really good at reviewing books, and the more you do, just like anything else, it can take some practice to get good at. But here's a great resource, this book on Amazon, How to Write a Simple Book Review. I'll leave a link to this book in the description below this video, as well as the 3 sites that I mentioned here, because sometimes when you go to the sites, it's kind of hard to find where to apply to become a reviewer. As you become good at reviewing books, you can list your services on Fiverr, and you can see people get paid anywhere from $5 to $75. You can see this person starts out at $15 and goes all the way up to $75. So this is a site where you can list your services to become a book reviewer. Oh, and by the way, Fiverr can be a gold mine for offering simple services. I do have a video I will link below for 7 easy Fiverr gigs that require no skills and no knowledge, and I'll link that below this video. And if you enjoy reading books out loud, a great site to look at is ACX, and you could get paid to become a narrator. You can see the steps here that you'll create a profile, upload samples, and it'll tell you how you can get paid either by royalties or per finished hour rate, and then you can apply. Then when you get accepted for the offer, then you record, and there is of course equipment that you'll need. Here's some titles that are accepting auditions, so you can see there's over 2,500 titles that you can choose from. You just click on the book and it'll give you the details, like how long the book is and what the pay is. I do have a more in-depth video on making money on ACX, and I'll post that in the description below this video, and you can check that out as well. Now to the method I feel you can make the most money with, and that is doing book reviews or book summaries on YouTube. Here's examples of 2 channels, Fight Mediocrity and the Productivity Game. Fight Mediocrity and the Productivity Game. And they never show their face and create videos using whiteboard software where someone is drawing out what you're saying. And these type of videos are really good because it keeps people's attention. If we look at their most popular videos and the keywords, you can see how many searches these keywords get every month. So for example, if we take this keyword right here, Atomic Habits, and put it into this keyword tool called vidIQ, if we take a look at the keyword Atomic Habits Summary, you can see that it's searched over 84,000 times a month, and it has low competition. So this is a really great keyword, and I can see how they got over 3 million views 9 months ago. And if we look at the most popular video on Productivity Game, Never Split the Difference, you can see that that keyword is searched over 28,000 times a month and has low competition as well. And you can see they got 1.5 million views. So you can see by learning to rank videos for keywords with a good search volume and low competition can get you a lot of views. I have ranked #1 for keywords and made some really good commissions. For example, OPM Wealth Review, I ranked #2 right now on this for YouTube. You can see the search volume here, and it's very low competition. And granted, these are not book reviews, but I just wanted to give you an idea of how reviews get you a lot of views, because people will search review of something before they purchase it. So these are actually buyers here. So Prosperity People Systems Review, you can see over 24,000 searches a month and very low competition. So I am ranked #1 for this right now on YouTube. So you can see the search volume and the competition is very good for both of these keywords. So you can use this keyword vidIQ and find keywords with low competition and high search volume. So you might be thinking, okay, I'm reading books and listening to books in a certain niche I enjoy and doing reviews or summaries on the books, but how am I going to make money from doing this? There are three main ways. You can make money with Google AdSense, which is when advertisers pay to place ads on your videos, and you will get paid per 1,000 views. You have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to apply, and the amount you get paid depends on your niche. My channel average for 1,000 views right now is $37, but other niches may be $3. So you can see these channels on Social-Based Stats would estimate how much they make from Google AdSense, which they base, if you look at this little question mark right here, they base it on 25 cents to $4 per 1,000 views. So we don't know exactly what their CPM is, so it could actually be higher than this. And this is what the productivity game is, anywhere from $105 to $1,700 a month. And again, that can be higher than that, which I estimate it probably is. The other two ways are becoming an affiliate for Amazon, which of course is free to sign up for. And you can of course link to the book you're giving a review on or summary on. And then you would just go to Amazon, find the book, and then click right up here where it says text. And then you would just put this in the description below your video. You can also link to Audible, and that's free to sign up for as well to become an affiliate. And then when someone signs up for a free trial, you'll get $5. It doesn't seem like a lot, but when you get a lot of views on your videos, this can definitely add up to a good side income, in addition to AdSense revenue, which is recurring every single month. And even though starting and building a YouTube channel takes time, dedication, and hustle, it is worth it to do something you enjoy, like reading, and make a good part-time or even a full-time income. Thanks for sticking around to the end of this video, and if you like this video, I think you'll really love this video coming up, how to make $4,000 per month re-uploading YouTube videos without ever showing your face. Go ahead and click here, it's getting started right now.